Hey, it's Iron Locksmith. Okay, so I've got the Key Tool Max, Xhorse Key Tool Max. I got the keyless factory remote tester here. Just got the keyless remote tester. I've had it for a couple weeks now. Should be a video up on it. About the first week, this thing paying for itself. Love it already. Get a customer that comes in, hey, my remote has an issue, whatnot. This one's quick to do. And if you know it's somebody that looks like they're going to be a little bit of an ass, pull out this bad boy here, make it look like it's more of a process, not just, you know, simple as going into the corner hardware store or local auto parts store. But this video is going to be not so much going against the two. This is going to be showing how to use the Xhorse to do the exact same thing that this one does, just a little more steps. So when we're in here, when we wake it back up, go to remote clone, and when you get there, you'll get that screen there. It says remote clone. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this one on too. I'm gonna use this Ford remote that I got from a friend of mine. Okay, lock, unlock. As you can see, they both went off. The nice thing about the Tool Max is it actually shows you the frequency completely. The keyless, it doesn't get that specified, but the price difference, you can't complain. The keyless, I like it because when I got a whole bunch of these remotes from an individual that I know, I just grabbed this bad boy. That way I can run through all the remotes I got from them. It didn't cost me but a nice bottle of an adult beverage, and I got a pile of remotes from them. And I know what the metal market he's going to turn around and actually start crushing. And he told his guys all the automotive keys to toss them in a bucket, and it'll cost me another bottle adult beverages. And hey, I'll do an adult beverage for a whole bunch of remotes, and then also get keys from them. And the keys, the big thing with them is, one, I know I've got remotes out here and I'm talking about keys, but I will say I like getting them. I make Marshall keys out of them, and I harvest the chips out of them. I even harvest the Circle Plus, you know, our old cheapos, but sometimes you can catch the shells on sale. But with that being said, hey, this remote right here was from another friend of mine. The vehicle got in a wreck. They still had this key. We'll go over here to click on your remote clone. Make sure this is turned on. I picked up lock, picked up unlock, hold, and horn. Now this one here, we will have to unlock it, and that'll be later on, and I'll just set it with my remotes that I know that are good. And when there's an actual day I get time, I'll turn around and go ahead and virginizing them again. And that one there, I use Altel IM608 Ford. This one here, I will have to turn around and get another, you know, emergency key. But I will also price check to see how much the remote costs compared to a shell. So if it's feasible, I'll do it. If it's not, I'll just order a new one here. I'll put this in my used. And if I do jobs at a used car dealer, there are certain ones that I don't like using the term they're cheap, but they like to save money. I'll use it there. But it is what it is on that one. So with that, go ahead and hit remote clone again. And you notice it works. Got this Dakota one. So it was just simple. Even got this old ratty Volkswagen one. I'm not complaining. But I do know this one here, this is a Kia, this one doesn't work. I already tried, and I do use batteries, new batteries, when I test the remotes, but those are batteries I keep separate from other ones, because I'm not going to use the battery then put it in somebody else's product and sell it to them. And you know, as of course it doesn't work, but hey, it is what it is. Like I said, you're gonna see this video, talking points are going to be in the old where to find locksmith gear, equipment, and inventory, and also it'll be in the Xhorse key tool max section about using the tool to remote clone, just different title. But hey, thanks again for watching, and let's go ahead and be safe out there.